The Endless Detour, Part 2. The three stare at the car parked at the edge of the gas station lot. It looks exactly like theirs, down to the open doors and Jake's jacket on the back seat. "No way," Jake whispers. He shines his flashlight toward it, but the beam flickers and dies. Lauren suggests leaving, but when they get back to their car, it won't start. The headlights flash once, then go out completely. Mia checks the gas station door and finds it unlocked. "There might be a phone inside," she says, stepping into the darkness. Jake and Lauren reluctantly follow. Inside, the air feels heavy, stale. Dust coats the shelves, but the register is clean, as if recently used. Then the door slams shut behind them. The faint sound of an engine rumbles outside. Jake peeks through the dusty window. The other car is gone.